Hello yarn lovers! If you are looking to learn a beautiful new stitch that's perfect for blankets or scarves, then keep watching and I'll show you how to crochet the Prairie Stitch. So the Prairie Stitch is a very simple 2-row repeat and it creates this beautiful lovely texture. It looks different on the front and the back. This is the right side and this is the wrong side, but they both actually look really pretty. So let's get started. So I'm just using some Aran weight yarn today with a 5.5mm hook. You can use any yarn you like. Just go with the hook size that's recommended on your yarn ball band. Okay, so I'm just going to start with a slip knot on my hook. And then you're going to chain any even number. So just keep chaining, counting 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Until your chain is as wide as you want your project to be. Okay, so we're ready for the first row. We're going to start by putting a single crochet in our second chain. So we're going to count, this is the first chain and here's our second chain. So we're going to put a single crochet in there and then we're going to continue and put a single crochet in each stitch all the way across. So you go ahead and do that and I will meet you back here when we are ready to start the second row. So I finished the first row. We're then going to chain 1 and turn. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch. And we're now going to put a half double crochet into this very first stitch. Like so. We'll then skip the next stitch. And we're going to put 2 half double crochets into the following stitch. So that's 1 and 2. Then skip the next stitch and then put 2 half double crochet into the following stitch. So we're just going to repeat this across. Skip 1 and then 2 half double crochet into that next stitch. So we're going to do this all the way across the row and we're going to end with 2 half double crochet in that very last stitch. So we're now ready to start row 3. We're going to chain 1 and turn, and again this chain 1 does not count as a stitch. We're going to put a single crochet into this very first stitch. And then a single crochet into each stitch all the way across. It's a very simple 2-row repeat, very easy to remember. So really you're just going to repeat the last 2 rows until your project is as long as you want it to be. So we've finished row 3, so they're then going to chain 1 and turn, and we're ready for row 4. So we'll start with half double crochet in that first stitch, skip 1, 2 half double crochet into that following stitch, skip 1, 2 half double crochet, and just repeat this across to the end of the row. And again ending with 2 half double crochet into that final stitch. Then chain 1 and turn, and we're now ready for a single crochet row. So you're just going to repeat those 2 rows until your project is as long as you want it to be, and your finished project will look something like this. It's very beautiful, perfect for blankets and scarves, and that's the Prairie Stitch. If you enjoy learning new stitches, then be sure to check out my stitch tutorial playlist right here on YouTube. Take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.